Largest woodpecker in North America.
Is that?
I believe so. The ivory bill is presumed extinct.
What?
The ivory bill woodpecker is presumed extinct.
Ivory?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, it's presumed.
Yep.
People could go looking in the swamps in Louisiana trying to find them. They say, some of them say they found them and some of them don't. Look at it, look at his tail. When I first saw it, the tail was wound around this way. And I thought from across the room it was a black bird.
Yeah. Yep.
Until I
Like a
came
crow.
up closer.